So what is mewing? Mewing is a technique that improves the alignment of your teeth and jaw. It involves positioning your tongue at the roof of your mouth, and this technique is based on the idea that when it comes to your tongue, it plays a huge and crucial role when it comes to your facial structure. And by using the right techniques, you can alter your facial structure. While there is limited scientific evidence to support the effectiveness when it comes to mewing, some people have claimed that when it comes to mewing, it has improved the facial structure and made them look more attractive. And the moment I heard that it can help you look more attractive, I was like, hey yo, I need to try this. Because when it comes to mewing and your jawline, I see on TikTok and on YouTube shows that a lot of people praise those individuals that have a very sick jawline. It feels like people see that as some sort of holy trinity when it comes to your appearance. Although I personally believe that when it comes to looking good, being attractive, it's a lot of different aspects that play a crucial role. But obviously, if you can get a better jawline, why not do it? And that's why I'm gonna start my mewing journey and see whether I can see some results with it as well. So if you're someone that wants to join me in my journey, these are the steps that you have to follow. Number 1, position your tongue on the roof of your mouth behind your upper teeth. The tip of your tongue should be touching the back of your upper front teeth, and the rest of your tongue should be pressing gently against the roof of your mouth. Number 2, keep your tongue in this position as much as possible, especially while swallowing or speaking. Number 3, try to maintain good posture with your head held straight and your shoulders back. This will help to ensure that your jaws and teeth are properly aligned. Number 4, pay attention to the way your teeth and jaw fuse and make any necessary adjustments to your tongue position. Number 5, practice mewing regularly and be patient. It may take some time to see results. And just to give you a little bit more context, before I even knew about mewing, and I've known about mewing for a couple of years now, but I've always neglected it or I've procrastinated actually trying it out, but now it's time for me to do so. Even way before this, I've always been someone that's naturally been doing this when it comes to my mouth. I've always been kind of mewing. I haven't been 100% mewing, and I feel like when it comes to my jawline, it's not like as magnificent when it comes to some of those people on TikTok or on YouTube Shorts, but it's still decent enough. You don't always see it because sometimes I grow my facial hair out, but now since it's trimmed down a bit more, it is more noticeable. And another thing is that when it comes to my jawline, the right side of my jawline seems to be a bit more defined than my left side. And one of the reasons this might be is due to me chewing more on my right side rather than my left side. So besides mewing, I'm gonna research some other methods that I can utilize to maximize my jawline. So if you're someone that wants to be updated when it comes to my jawline and wants to join my journey, definitely consider to the subscribe button, and this way you will be notified when I make a new video when it comes to mewing. And also, if you're someone that's trying to give yourself a glow up, look more attractive, look better, I'm sure you'll love my free book. It's 100% free. All you have to do is to go to the description and download the Glow Up Secrets book. And this way, besides mewing to look more attractive, I've got way more secrets that can help you to maximize your looks and also become a better person. And that's pretty much the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.